It's a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: auto-dimming rear-view mirror, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, and V6 engine. The Car Connection observes, inside, the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Rochester Car Clearance Center, you get our best price, bottom line.
We are conveniently located on Highway 14 West, near West Circle Drive.